Okay, back here with another video. So there's this American middle class thing called commodity fetishism that I just made up. You see it a lot in movies where, you know, a certain object is focused on as a way of materially provoking some kind of narrative through line, right? So, and I think this doesn't even have to be explicitly said, or it doesn't even have to be fully formed as this sort of object. I think eyes are sort of like that. Manic Pixie Dream Girls. The shorthand for that is just their eyes are talking, even when they're not talking, right? And in the film Steve Pilgrim versus the Universe battle, Jonah Hill, the guy, Jonah Hill, the guy who's Michael Cera, Ramona Flowers, and the knives, and the drummer all have these eyes that gesture to say, ooh, I'm thinking way more than I'm actually letting on, but it's not to say that you're letting on less, that you're being secretive, but it's just to say that it's this kind of shorthand for like a ditzy smart, which doesn't recognize ordinary processes. It just like does them wrong, right. But like, for instance, this process. If I was to get this band and fold in half to get it over my whole hand, I can't do that all in one stroke. I have to get it on these first four fingers, then I have to get it on this fifth finger. So that's ordinality. Or you could do fifth finger and then first four fingers. You do one then the other, right? But so this eyes thing, eyes math, alt-right, is to say that people use that to kind of gauge experience. There's a golden ratio, you could say, thing, and the golden ratio varies or whatever. And so whatever shape your eyes are, whatever engagement they have, that measures what kind of engagement will carry out. Same thing. It's this kind of part prioritization over the whole that you see in like cops. Like any part of the body could be. What if he got a compound fracture and he stabbed me? Any part of the body could serve a threat, even not realistically. And it's the same for all of policing. You have to police all the parts of the civil body, right? Now, iMath, I haven't informed myself of what it is yet, but certain divisions, everything needs to be seen to be, right? Well, we see things that be, so really, everything that is needs to be seen by us to recognize that it is. Oh no. This isn't a good video. What's the summation? The summation is more or less that iMath, these body parts that I have, right? They have function insofar as they actually have function. However, people will interpret that function in wildly different ways. That's what perception is. It's where function undergirds itself. So that's iMath. That's iMath. You can see my accessory fetishism very aptly. You can see my eyes. I have both of them. and I've expressly decided not to get them circumcised. So, you know, none of you are getting lucky.